Okay, this is the videos about the Form 4 mx chapter 2, the quadratic equation. Okay, on the quadratic equation, actually you will always see the question about two equal roots, two distinct roots, or two different roots, or they even say no intersect or tangent. So in these videos, I will try to tell you what is the difference between two equal roots or two different roots. Okay. First, before I start to teach about this video. I will explain in this video. So let me do a simple explanation first. Okay. When you see something like two equal and real root. What is the meaning for that? So you must remember, when you see two equal and real root mean b squared minus 4ac will equal to 0. Means actually, what's the meaning? Means actually the graph will touch the x-axis at one point. So means two equal and real root. This is something like, let's say 3. You got two answers, x will equal to 3 or x will equal to 3. So means what? Means actually they only touch at one point. This is what we call two equal and real root. Means most of the time the curve actually will touch at one point only, but then sometimes the curve might touch at 2 points as well. Okay. If the question say about two different, or sometimes they use distinct, two different and real root. Means what? Means b squared minus 4ac will bigger than 0. Means actually in the graph you will touch at 2 points. So it means you got two different answers for x. Maybe x will equal to 2 or x will equal to 8. Means you got two different answers for x. This is mean two different and real root. Okay. Both also will have the real root. Mean actually they touch the acid. Okay. And the last but not least is when you see about do not intersect, or sometimes they will say no roof. What is the meaning? Means that b squared minus 4ac is smaller than 0. Means actually the curve or the straight line actually they do not have any intersection point among them. Okay, but then in this kinds of example, or can means that actually the curve does not intersect with the x-axis. Okay, so normally in this kinds of example, you have to substitute the equation, let's say equation of the straight line y equal to mx plus c, and then equation of the curve, y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, can be any number. So actually you have to substitute two equations together to make it like ax squared plus bx plus c will equal to mx plus c. Okay, after that you put all the x together, numbers together, and then only you put b squared minus 4ac is more than 0. Okay, this one I will explain later in the question. Means this one actually you have to, even they do not intersect, but then you still need to like put both equations together in order to put the b squared minus 4ac. Of course, in here I think some of the students do not understand what is the meaning like b squared minus 4ac and how to get it. Okay, so of course in order to use this formula, you must rearrange your equation become like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then only we can take a, b, c one. Okay, this one I will explain in the question. Okay, so do not waste your time. Now we straight away go into the first question. Okay, this is one of the partial question, or yeah, very similar to partial question. Okay, so over here, he gives you a quadratic equation, x squared plus 2hx plus 4 equal to x, has the two equal roots. As you find the possibles of h, so very important keyword over here is to have the two equal roots. So I know first thing come into my mind is b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. But then in this case, he say find the possible values. Means actually you will have more than one possible value of h. When he said possible value, means you will got more than one answer. Some more value he got an s behind. Means you will got two answer for s, for h maybe. You will got two answer for h maybe. Okay, so let's start to do. Okay, I say in order to apply this one, you must change to the general form, which is we call ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. You must change to general form, then only you can apply it. So this one haven't put in the general form, so we need to do the first step. So x squared plus 2hx plus 4 equal to x. So I have to move the x to the other side. X squared plus 2hx minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, we almost done. But then now we have 2x over here. We only can have 1x, so we have to factorize it because it's bx. We have to determine what is b, because b is beside the x. Now we got 2h is beside the x and -1 is beside the x. So we have to factorize. So x squared plus, okay, so I factorize out this one is 2h minus 1x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, after I multiply in, I will get back exactly same result proof. Means this factorize is correct. Because x multiple 2h, I got 2xx. -1 multiple x, I got -x. Okay, then I got a, b, and c. Obviously, in these cases, a will equal to 1, because here over here is 1. And then b is equal to 2h minus 1, and c is equal to 4. This is what we call general form. Okay, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is what we call general form. Okay, if you got all the information, then what you need to do is just substitute in. So, okay, I substitute everything here. So, substitute in b squared minus 4ac equal to 0 because he said got two equal roots. So, b over here is 2h minus 1 square minus 4a. What is a? A over here is 1. Okay, c over here is 1. C is 4 equal to 0. Okay, and then I continue. I expand this one. I will got 4h squared minus 4h plus 1. And then here is actually minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, and then of course, if you do not know how to expand this one, maybe you have to have a look on the previous video. Okay, this is something like 2h minus 1 multiple 2h minus 1. Okay, and then, yeah, so solve it. 4h squared minus 4h minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, and then we have to expand this one. You can use calculator. If you do not know how to expand this one, use calculator and just press. So let me think about this one. 5, 3. So 15 is 5 and 3. So in order to get the 4h in the middle, 2, 10, 6. Okay, so this is 2h, and then 2h multiple 5. Okay, negative, positive. Yeah. Then we will got 2h plus 3 equal to 0, or 2h minus 5 equal to 0. So I will got h will equal to negative 3 over 2, or h will equal to 5 over 2. See, two possible values. Okay, if you do not know how to expand this one, okay, because Okay, maybe you can use calculator. Okay, so this one is very simple. Okay, you press mode 3 times, 1, 2, 3, EQN. Do you see EQN? Press 1, and then we do not want unknown, we want degree. So because the x over here is h square only, so I press degree is 2. So the first one, A is this one. A is 4, so I press 4. B is -4, so I press -4. And C is -15, so I press -15. Okay, so I got x1 is 2.5, which is 5/2. Okay, you can write like this one, or you can push it. So it's 5/2. x2 is 1.5. You can press shift this button, is -3/2. Okay, so I can get these two answers. Of course, I think students who take max should know how to expand this one. Okay, so yeah, key point over here is two equal roots, and then you have to understand the possible value mean you got the more than one value for h. Okay, then we go to the second question. Okay, the second question over here. Okay, you will see some hint. Find the range of values of k if the quadratic equation kx minus 1 square plus 3x equal to 2 have two different roots. So key point over here, two different roots. First thing come into your mind is b squared minus 4ac must be bigger than 0. And then very important words over here is range. So when you see, he asks you to find the range of value. Range means you must have some symbol like bigger, smaller. This one means range. Means your answer will be like k bigger than 5 or x bigger than 2. Okay, this is called range. Okay, so your answer must involve bigger symbol or smaller symbol. Okay, let's start to do this question. Okay, so first is I have to rearrange the equation given into the general form. So this is k x minus 1 square plus 3x equal to 2. So I expand this one. Okay, I expand this one. I will got k x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So I multiple k into it. I got k x squared, okay, minus 2kx plus k plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, in order to put in ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, which is general form I mentioned just now, I have to put those got x together, those do not have x together. Okay, so this is k x squared, okay, minus 2kx plus 3x plus k minus 2 to get equal to 0. Okay, now have to factorize out the x, okay, because of the general form. So this is kx squared. Okay, this one if I factorize, okay, I put plus. Okay, I put the 3 first, so 3 minus 2k x, okay, plus this is c. C will be k minus 2 equal to 0. Do you see A, B, and C? Because after I multiply this one in, I got positive 3x. Multiply this one in, I got negative 2kx. Okay, so it's exactly same with the top, means the factorize is correct. Okay, then from here, okay, again, general form, I always write general form one more time to make sure you all understand. C equal to 0. A should be beside the x squared, so A over here will be k. B should be beside the x, so B in this case will be 3 minus 2k. And C will be the only one do not have x, so k do not have x and negative 2 do not have x. So C in these cases will be k minus 2. Okay, it's very obvious, A, B, and C. Okay, if okay, then we just apply in b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. Then we can find the possible range value of k. So b squared, what is b? B is 3 minus 2k squared minus 4ac. 4, a and c is k minus 2 bigger than 0. This is b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0. Okay, then I just expand this one, I can get the k. So I expand this one, I got 9 minus 6 minus 12k plus 4k square. Okay, multiple in. This one I will get negative 4k minus negative 4k square, negative 4k plus 8k, bigger than 0. Okay, then I just solve this one quickly. Okay, 4k square and 4 plus 4k square minus 4k square, I settle. Negative 4k plus 4k, I got negative 12k plus 4k, I got negative 4k. Okay, plus 9, bigger than 0. Therefore, 4k. Okay, I move the 4k over that side. So 9 was bigger than 4k. Because negative 4k becomes positive 4k. So therefore, k will equal to 9 over 4. Okay, I rearrange k in front, so k will smaller than 9 over 4. Got it? This is the range value of k. Okay, can understand? Okay, if can understand, then we're very good. Okay, then we go to the last question. Okay, the last question is very important. This question for me is very important because always come out in the exam is no intersect. Okay, when he said no intersect, you must got the idea what is the meaning by no intersect. Okay, let me take some blank paper before I start to. Okay, maybe. Oh, I just didn't waste the paper too much. Okay, I use this paper. Okay, in these cases, it says the straight line y equal to x minus q does not intersect the curve y equal to 3x squared minus x minus 3. Find the range value. Okay, again you will see range. Range means your answer must be bigger than something or smaller than something. You got the symbol like this called range. Okay, so another key point over here is they say he does not intersect. So first thing come into your mind for does not intersect is b squared minus 4ac will be smaller than 0. Okay, have two different roots is bigger than 0, two equal roots is equal to 0, so does not intersect is smaller than 0. Okay, it's simple. But then I say for does not intersect, even this is straight line, this is curve, you have to put both y together, means substitute 1 into 2, something like this. So I substitute this one into this one, so I will got x minus q will equal to 3x squared minus x minus 3. Mean I substitute y into the y. Y is equal to x minus q. So x minus q will equal to 3x squared minus x minus 3. Okay, this equation is simple, and then we change it to general form. Okay, change it to general form means here will become 0. So here is 3x squared. Okay, minus x again is minus 2x. Okay, so minus 3 plus q. Mean I move x toward this side will become negative x. Negative x and negative x is negative 2x. So negative q move here will be positive q. Okay, then this is general form. Then I write out the a, b and c. So a in these cases is 3. B in these cases is negative 2. And C in these cases will be Q minus 3. Or you can write minus 3 plus Q. It's the same thing. Okay, then if you got this one, it will be very simple. Okay, then B squared minus 4AC smaller than 0. B over here is negative 2. Square minus 4. A and C will be Q minus 3 will be smaller than 0. So I just solve this equation, I can get the range for Q. So this one will be 4. Okay, this one is negative 12. Negative 12Q. Negative 12 multiple 3 will be positive 36. Smaller than 0. So therefore, negative 12Q plus, okay, this is 40, less than 0. So I move the negative 12Q over here, become positive 12Q, 40 over here. So Q will be 40 over 12. So I just simplify this one. When I simplify, divide by 4, this one will be 10, this one will be 3. Okay, so therefore Q will be bigger than 10/3. This is the range for Q. That's simple. Okay, because some student makes a mistake in this kind of question is because it straight away is like y equal to 3x squared minus x minus 3. You straight away make this one become 3x squared minus x minus 3 equal to 0, and then you take a equal to 3, b equal to -1, and c equal to -3. Then you will got it wrong. Even that does not intersect, but then you still need to like substitute the straight line and the curve together, and then make them become 0, and then you take out a, b, c, then only you substitute b squared minus 4ac like this, and then find out the range values of Q. Okay, I hope these 3 questions can give you some ideas on how to solve the quadratic equation questions. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, if you got any question, just post your comment and some feedbacks into my YouTube channels and the Facebook. Okay, thanks for watching.